Now children, there is one another criteria, that is HDI or Human Development Index. So what is Human Development Index? Beta, it is a statistical tool used to measure a country's overall achievement in its social and economic dimension. Please remember, it will be social and economic dimension. The social and economic dimensions of a country are based on, can you tell me, health of people, level of education, standard of living, and many other things. So it's very important question can be asked, like which three efforts should be made by any country to improve its HDI. Okay, so what will be your answer? You can say that is number 1, providing 100% literacy to the people. Number 2, you can say improving health facilities. And number 3, creating pollution free environment. Okay, so you have to remember one thing. Pakistani economist Mahbub ul Haq, okay, he created HDI in 1990, which was further used to measure the country's development by the United Nations Development Program, that is UNDP. Okay, what is the full form of UNDP? United Nations Development Program. Okay, children, this question is asked many times, that who uses these techniques, okay, of calculating the national income. So your answer will be UNDP. So that is United Nations Development Program, and it is based on HDI. Every year UNDP ranks countries based on the HDI report released in their annual report. So they release this annual report which ranks countries according to their criteria. Now here children, you can see some parameters for measuring Human Development Index. That is, first one is literacy rate. So they measure the literacy rate of the country. Then infant mortality rate, how many infants die per 1,000. Then access to clean drinking water. Next, standard of life. Then body mass index. Okay, very important, body mass index. Sometimes 1 mark question can come. So body mass index of the people living there. It is you can say, means its short form is BMI. BMI, it stands for body mass index. What is BMI, dear children? BMI is used to find out whether a person is nourished, undernourished, or overweight. Okay, so how can we calculate BMI? We need two things. Okay, we need two things, height of a person in kg, and number 2, height in meters. Number 1, weight of a person in kg, weight of a person in kg, and number 2, height in meter square. Okay, height in meter square. If it is in centimeter, so you can convert it in meter, then you can calculate. Suppose someone's weight is 25 kg, okay, and height is 1 meter. So what will be your calculation? 25 divided by 1 square. 1 square means 1 obviously, so 25 divided by 1, that will be 25. So BMI will be 25. So we got BMI 25. But how do we know he or she is nourished or undernourished or overweight? So beta, it has some parameters, like you can see, less than 18 is equal to undernourished, more than 25 is equal to overweight, and between 18 to 25 it is nourished. Okay, so there is exception. You can also see over here, growing children are not evaluated on body mass index. right? I think it is clear. So our another criteria was after body mass index. You can see life expectancy of the citizens, and the last one is health facilities. That's all for today. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.